Hello and thank you for joining us. I'm Kai Jackson. Tonight we're learning former Joppatowne High School student Jaylen Prince received an 80-year prison sentence after he was convicted of killing fellow student Warren Grant inside the school's bathroom in September of 2024. Now, during the trial in May, Prince admitted to shooting Grant using a gun from his backpack while the two boys argued over a girl. Well, today in court, nearly a dozen of Grant's family members gave victim impact statements. And Harford County State's Attorney Allison Healy says she believes justice was served. Prince's attorneys say they plan on appealing the sentence. Now, this case has prompted debate about the Child Interrogation Act. The Harford County Sheriff's Office says it prevented them from questioning Prince after the shooting. Some lawmakers are now pushing for the General Assembly to revisit this law during the next session in Annapolis. Fox 45's Vincent Hill has the very latest on this debate.
Well, on the day of that shooting, Sheriff Gaylor upset that he could not talk to the prime suspect, now convicted killer, and he wants the Child Interrogation Protection Act to go away. Inside a Harford County courtroom Tuesday, 17-year-old Jaylen Prince sentenced to 80 years in prison for the deadly 2024 Joppatowne High School shooting. Hey, Sheriff, thanks for joining me. After sentencing, Fox 45 speaking with Harford County Sheriff Jeff Gaylor.
I spoke about this, sadly, the day of this shooting.
Despite the conviction.
And again, the gun in this case remains outstanding. We haven't recovered it.
Sheriff Gaylor says the investigation was hindered because of Maryland's Child Interrogation Protection Act, passed in 2022.
This is an individual who is, yes, young, but he made a decision to do a very adult criminal thing, and that was to take another person's life.
The act prevents law enforcement from questioning a juvenile without permission from a parent, legal guardian, or attorney. But supporters like the Maryland ACLU says it protects juveniles.
That adults on average don't have a strong understanding of their Miranda rights. Allowing parents to give consent to an interrogation of their child might sound like a good move, but they are simply not qualified to advise their children about the risks of waiving their rights.
However, lawmakers like Baltimore County Delegate Robin Grammer have long sounded the alarm.
It's really a bastardization of the justice system. It has nothing to do with protecting someone from incriminating themselves.
Grammer pointing to how the law affects the victims of juvenile crime.
What they've done is they've created a situation where, in a lot of situations, it becomes impossible to see justice served.
With exactly 3 months until the 2026 legislative session.
These laws, they're very extremist, they're very lopsided, they don't serve youth and they don't serve the communities that we're elected to protect.
Grammer is hoping for at least one change to come out of it.
I don't think there's any salvaging this law. I think we need to do away with it completely.
A sentiment shared by Sheriff Gaylor.
I would certainly like to see them rescind this one.
Law enforcement from across the state have voiced similar frustrations. The Eastern Shore delegation says they plan on proposing amendments this upcoming session. At DJS, Vincent Hill, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.